Okay, welcome all. In this video I will show you how to make your first software application. And to write software applications we use the tool Visual Studio. So let's open this tool. And when you open this tool you will see this window. And firstly we create a new project, and therefore you can click on this button here. And next you have to select the type of project. So you can select the console app, that's the type of project we create in this course. So select this type of project and then you can click on next. And next you have to type a name for your project. For the name of your project, use a useful name, so later on you know what the project was about. And furthermore you can select a location where the project is being stored. So I will use the default location, but if you want to store your project on another location, you can click on this button here with the three dots. And then you can select a folder here in the browser to select the location where your project is being stored. Yeah, so when you named your project and chose a location, so I will name my project demo, then you can click on create. And now the project is being created and you see a bunch of text here. So select all the text and then you can delete it. So how we start each project is with the so-called template code. And each time you start a new project, you have to start with these lines. So I will type it now. For now it's not important to know what it does, but what you have to know is that you have to start each project this way. Yeah, so type the following lines. So this is what I call the template code. Yeah, so again, each time you start a new project, you have to type these lines. What you have to know now is that each program starts at this point. And the program ends at the following line, that's here. Yeah, so this is the end of the program, and here starts your program. And what you are going to do is write so-called statements here. And a statement is a particular action you want to perform in your software. And how it works is that the statements are being executed from top to bottom. Yeah, so we are writing multiple statements here between the start and the end of your program, and the statements are executed statement by statement from top to bottom. And the syntax of a statement is as follows. So you write a statement and each statement ends with a semicolon. Yeah, so do not forget to end each statement with a semicolon, otherwise you get a syntax error. Furthermore, what you see here is this pops up in green, and that means it's a comment. And the comment is some text that you can use to clarify code, for example. It's just some piece of notes that you can use. And to make a comment, you have to start the line with 2 forward slashes. Yeah, so if I remove this, you will see it will become black, and it also gives an error. But if you start the line with 2 forward slashes, you will see it becomes green, and now it means it's a comment. Yeah, so again, a comment is a piece of text that you can use to clarify code. It are just some notes for yourself. So let's write a very simple program, and in this program I will print some text on the console. And to do so, we have to use the following statement. It's cout, then follows with 2 less than signs, and then 2 double quotes, and the text that we place between those double quotes is being printed to the console. So for example, hello world with an exclamation mark. And again, do not forget to end the statement with a semicolon. Yeah, so if you typed this statement here, then you can click on this button. And what this button does is converting this text to an executable. Yeah, the executable is the software application that we can run. Yeah, so click on this button. So now it's compiling the code, meaning converting the text to an executable, and the executable is immediately being run. And what we see here, it prints hello world, exactly the text that we also put here between the double quotes. So that's it for this video. So we have seen how to create a new project, and we also have written our first software application.